What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Little fish, look. This white fish, they call silverfish. You can eat the whole thing. The
Just
bones,
like that?
just like that. Wash it and then they wrap it in paper. But this still we're gonna have a lot of water come out. Because it won't take long to make this. I'm gonna start the water. Chopstick. Two the same length. Same length. Okay. I already cut the julienne. Put it in here. There's more fish than we need. I'm going to cut some pickled vegetable. I soak it so I squeeze out the water.
Why, to make it less salty?
Yeah, Colvin, that's a wrong approach.
Exactly.
There's no wrong way of cutting it. Since the fish is long, I'm sort of echo the fish. When I was eating in Hong Kong, when we were kids, they were more tasty. These are frozen.
Really?
They're not as tasty. Originally, it doesn't have the pickle in it, but I figure the fish need help. I'm going to put 4 eggs. Usually, 1 egg is 1 water, but since the fish is going to have a lot of water come out, I'm just going to do half. You save this to measure. This is an old way. Country people didn't have measuring cup. These eggs are from the market, really fresh. You have to bit it up pretty good. I should be using a bigger one, but the bowl is too small. Usually 1 egg, that means 2 half shell, but since the fish have a lot of water, I have 4 eggs of 4 of these.
Nice trick, Joyce.
As I said, in the old days they don't have measuring cup. They're not fancy. I'm going to strain it for the egg to be smooth. I'm making a mess. See all the air gets strained out. Colvin, you're gonna like this because you know why? Because there's going to be more fish than egg.
There's no carbs too, right, Joyce?
Well, the whole thing has no carb. Okay. This fish is not that tasty. And then I'm going to cheat. I'm going to put some fish sauce in it.
Oh, I love fish sauce.
I know that. I think that would do it. Okay, I want to make sure the ginger is not in one spot. Might not be enough eggs. Because I'm not putting that much water. Maybe I'll put another egg in it. Because you want to at least cover it. See, there's more like it. There's a little bit more. You're not supposed to see the fish. Okay, I'm going to put a drop of oil. It should be boiling, but I don't want to burn myself. That's why I'm going to put it.
How long does that take to cook?
Let's do 10 minutes, and then we'll check, see whether it cooked. Okay, cover. Because when the water drip down, it will make it like not perfect. Okay. Check.
I gotta take the plate off without burning yourself.
Hey. See, there's a lot of water come out. That's right. See, it's not done. You're gonna like it because there's more fish than egg. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Let's do another 5 minutes. Since I'm at it, I should put some water to it. I'm gonna cut some scallion for it. You know, Chinese people like scallion. They said that people like scallion is smart people. That's why I'm like dumb, like a dumb. You know why? Because they said that if you can see through both sides, that's why you're smart.
So what does that have to do with eating a scallion?
Whatever the hey, I'm telling you that. Don't ask me. These are ancient Chinese thing. I can never challenge it. Well, let's see. Should turn it lower. See the difference? I don't think it's 100%. I'm gonna do 3 minutes and then turn it off and let it sit for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Moment of truth. See that?
It's solidified?
I think pretty much. The egg doesn't stick to the chopstick. That means it's done.
Okay.
But because I'm going to put a little bit of dark soy, liquid amino, I'm going to put it on the side because I don't want to be adding to the... See, it's very solidified. Wow, it's a lot of sauce. Colvin kind of thing. Picture time.